the government will concentrate on building vertical housing and also doing the campaign on how to live vertical, because mostly the people of Indonesia still living on the landed housing. Now we want to renovate and build density cities all over Indonesia. We have 8,000 small cities in Indonesia to start living vertical. This is giving a very huge amount of investment, and we invite the private sector to invest in the housing program, because the government will only give the subsidy to the land price, which the government stated that the land will be very, very low, even zero. So every construction company and developer can build on all the cities of Indonesia the vertical housing. The second one is the government will renovate 2 million houses every year. We will put this budget on our national budget, which is close to $3 billion per year in our national budget, to renovate so the house of the people of Indonesia will increase in the quality, and quality house will also can use as the collateral, while the people at small business enterprises can start to deal with the bank. As Indonesia living also 30,000 coastal area, we are the archipelagic nation. So the people, the government of Indonesia also want to renovate every year 1,200 settlement on the coastal area. So by renovating the coastal area, we will have a good location for the fishermen and also the production of protein, because the government of Indonesia also proclaimed that Indonesia will have food security and energy security. So the renovation of the coastal area will cost us close to $2 billion. We thank you for the ISDB, because we already discussed and settled some of the program in this area, and we open everybody, every institution and investment to come and see us in the details, what is the project, mega project in this housing program. I think the renovation of and building of 3 million houses every year in Indonesia would becoming one of the largest mega project in the history of mankind. So welcome to Indonesia. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.